So it's time for our first intermediate active activity. And this is just to get used to moving while being aware of the breath. And don't worry if you don't know exactly how to do it, or that if you feel silly, doesn't matter. It's what it accomplishes that is important. And so what I want you to do is, while being aware of breathing and never letting that knowing go, I want you to simply take your hands and arms. You're going to sit down and you're merely going to move your arms and hands like this. Watch them and just move them, because every movement might elicit reflex thoughts, either associating with what that particular movement in that particular second resembles you, make you think of, or whatever. Things will pop up, and I want you to pull yourself back every time something pops up, and just continue moving in any way you want. Slowly. Be in your hands, almost like Qigong or Tai Chi. Aware movement, but keep your awareness on your breath. And if the thoughts become too screamy, shouty, pull yourself back. I'm moving my arms. Just say that to yourself. I'm moving my hands. And go back to being aware of breathing. It does not matter what kind of movement you're making, but move your hands and arms so slowly, it is as if you're underwater. And feel free to feel the aliveness in them. But whatever you do, remain aware of your breath. Because we're first and foremost getting used to doing something while keeping the focus on one thing. This will make what is to come easier. So I want you to do this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and 15 minutes. And as a little extra bonus assignment, you could say, if you feel that this is not a problem and you're able to keep silent and keep aware easily, then feel free to stand up, and while standing, move your arms and hands. Maybe take a few steps back and forth. Maybe walk from one end of the room to the other. But if you become bombarded by thoughts, then it might mean this is too early. So just play with it. Don't take it too seriously. Just see how it goes. Okay? Try it. Master it, and then I'll see you in the next lesson.